Hello, welcome to Makeup with Intention. Today I'm going to be creating this Ahsoka makeup look, and the intention behind this video is based on a quote from episode 5 of the Ahsoka series, I Choose to Live. If you haven't seen episode 5 of Ahsoka and you don't want spoilers, watch it and then come back. But essentially, Ahsoka had carried guilt with her for years for leaving the Jedi Order, and shortly thereafter Anakin turning to the dark side and becoming Darth Vader, and was really living in the shadow of that guilt. And in her duel with Anakin, at the end of that duel, she said, "I choose to live," which symbolized her releasing that guilt. Then she became Ahsoka the White. There's an excellent video that Star Wars Theory has about this if you want to know more detail. I'll link his video below. But that part of the series really spoke to me, and it made me realize that we carry guilt often that is not ours to carry, and that it is preventing us from truly living life. If you're living in the shadow of guilt, then you aren't truly living. It inspired me to want to release this guilt and choose to live. And now I'm going to be doing something that I never thought I would do on my channel. I actually had a dream about this. So I'm going to be singing and using my voice to help share how I release any guilt that I have taken on. There was also a song by the artist Nico. They are amazing. I highly recommend checking them out. I'll have them linked below. But Nico's song Jericho really inspired me to live as well. When I saw this episode of Ahsoka, and when she said I choose to live, and she chose to release the guilt, that also really spoke to me. And I actually had a dream about doing this makeup look and doing a cover of Nico's song Jericho. I'm going to include pieces of the song Jericho, or at least one lyric that really meant a lot to me. And then I'm also just going to sing from my heart and be led spiritually. If you have made it this far, thank you. And I hope that this helps you feel some sort of release from guilt if you've also been carrying around guilt. I hope that this can help you to release that, and that you also feel inspired by this to choose to live. I choose to live. Ha 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 ha. I don't need gravity, I just need growth. Ha ha. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. So Star Wars has meant a lot to me throughout my life, and so the fact that the first video in this series is the Ahsoka inspired makeup also means a lot. And now for the makeup tutorial. If you made it to this point, please leave me an orange, blue, or white heart in the comments. First, I am combing my eyebrows upward with a clear brow gel from Nyx. This will just ensure that the paint lays down flat over top of my brows and that they don't protrude through. Then I'm applying some orange face paint all over my face, also blending it over the eyelids. And then I'm also taking that orange face paint down my neck. I'll link the products I use below. This is from Sunset Makeup. It's their orange foundation. Then I'm applying a cream highlighter that's also orange to the cheekbones. And then I'm contouring with a orangish brown eyeshadow to add depth and dimension to the cheekbones. Then I'm applying a orangish brown shade all over my eyelid and into the crease to add some depth and dimension there. Then I'm applying a sparkly orange shade all over my eyelid. I'm applying a blue eyeliner from NYX. This is the shade Sapphire. And then I'm applying mascara. Now time for the face markings with white paint. So first I'm starting with the triangular shape at the top and continuing to the center of the forehead. And then to the eyebrow area. Again, the clear brow gel that we put down first will help this white face paint to lay flat on top of the eyebrows. Finishing up the face markings and then applying lip liner and lipstick. Now I am cleaning up the edges of the face markings with the orange face paint again. And the Lekku headpiece is from Party City. I'll have all the products linked. I'll have all the products in the description box below. Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you do feel connected to me in any way after watching this and you feel that it would bring positivity or value to your life to be a part of this community, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. I'm really excited to continue this series, and thank you so much for watching. May the Force be with you.